Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you saw my last video, you'll know just how well a dishwasher tab was able to clean my oven glass door in just 12 minutes. Make sure you check it out. I'll insert the card here. Since I was able to clean my oven door so fast and effectively, I was eager to see if this method worked just as well on my oven cavity. First, I removed all of the loose burn bits from the cavity. If I was to do this over, I'd also wipe down the oven with water and a paper towel before I started scrubbing. I then put on some gloves and took a bowl of warm water and dropped the red Powerball from the finished dishwasher tab inside. I then dipped my dishwasher tab white part down into the bowl of water for a couple of seconds and started scrubbing the inside of the cavity, dipping the tab back in the water as needed. I scrubbed the bottom and side walls. Since my heating element is at the top of my oven cavity, I left that alone. You don't want to scrub using the dishwasher tab on any heating elements or fans. The dishwasher tab will start to break apart over time, so just grab a new one. I actually started to use my hands to move around the broken bits all over the oven, and this was effective in cleaning for me. Once the oven cavity got pretty dirty, I wiped it out with water and paper towels so that I could see what I still needed to clean. Once I was satisfied, I took more water and paper towels to wipe away the remaining soap residue. You'll know you've cleaned up all of the soap residue once your oven dries and you no longer see a white film in your oven. I also took a vacuum to suck up anything left behind. While this method worked to significantly clean up my oven, the whole process took me about an hour and a half, which I was not expecting after having such quick results with my door. I'll definitely be looking for a faster solution for the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!